proud to be Australian. I'll be through and through. Never waltz without Matilda.
This trigonometric survey camp, situated about 1 kilometre north of Mount Kavanagh Homestead, was built by officers of the Division of National Mapping in 1965 and was once the central reference point for all Australian surveys. It was named after Frederick Marshall Johnson, former Commonwealth Surveyor General and the first Director of National Mapping.
Across the harbour bridge is where I'd rather be. I'm a natural born Australian. Australia's home to me.
I watched us win the America's Cup. I've seen us do our best. Seen us lift our heavyweights, swim faster than the rest.
Riding across an Nullarbor is where I'd rather be.
I'm not a natural born Australian, but Australia's.
On the Stuart Highway, just north of the South Australian Northern Territory border, you'll find Mount Kavanagh. This is where this particular centre of Australia can be found. Depending on what method you use, there are up to 5 different centres of Australia.